Let's rank 20 tattoo styles as fast as we can. Chicano, B. Blastover, A. Japanese, A. Blockout work, B. Hand poke, C. Black work, B. Any kind of script, unless it's really good, C. If it's not good, which most of the time isn't, crap. Whatever this is, crap. Any kind of geometrical, crap. Tribal on tribal people, A. Tribal on white people, crap. Neo-traditional, C. Biomech, crap. Watercolor, crap. American traditional, A. Black and gray, A. Let's see if I can put it in A. Black and gray, A. Realistic, C. Thrash polka, crap. Fine line, crap. New school, crap.